Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the mouse wheel is zooming instead of scrolling on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check if the control key is stuck on your system. This happens at times, especially with Bluetooth keyboards which are kept aside. First of all, check that. If that is not the case, then if you're facing this issue in Excel, here's what you have to do. Click on File, okay, and then select Options. Select Advanced. In the first set itself, you'll find something called as Zoom on Roll with IntelliMouse. Make sure that this is unchecked. It should not be checked. Okay, and then click on OK. And lastly, you can consider updating the keyboard drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.